Today we're going to make some chocolate crinkle cookies. You don't have to wait until the holidays to make this beautiful recipe. You can make it all year round. It's delicious and nutritious. Just kidding, they're not nutritious, but they are so delicious you will love them.
Using a sheet of parchment paper, sift a cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 70 grams of unsweetened cocoa powder, half teaspoon of instant coffee, half teaspoon of kosher salt. And set these dry ingredients aside. In a mixing bowl, add 1/3 of a cup of vegetable oil, a cup of granulated sugar, and a few drops of mint extract. Careful here, a little goes a long way. We want light mint, not mouthwash. And about 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. By the way, you can totally mix these ingredients by hand, but I'm gonna use my KitchenAid because I'm lazy like that. 'Tis the season. Set it on medium speed. Drizzle in 2 whole eggs, minus the shell. Scrape down the sides of the bowl. Lift up the parchment paper and use it as a funnel to slide in the dry ingredients. Mix it just until combined, no more than that. This should be the consistency of the dough. Let's say it's like between a warm Tootsie Roll and a stiff brownie dough. Chill the dough for a few hours or until very firm. We're gonna go how many by how many?
3 times 4.
Yes.
12.
Okay.
Or dozen.
Exactly. You're gonna roll it into a ball.
And then
Just drop it in there and then we're gonna roll it around a little bit. It's playing in the snow. It's making a little snow angel and we're gonna pop him on there. There you go, 3 by 4. These little guys are gonna go play in the snow and then they're gonna go chill out on the pan and wait to be roasted to their fiery, painful death.
it's not fiery, painful death.
The oven is fiery and painful if you're a cookie.
The cookie may just seem kind of like a sauna.
And make sure you get a powdered sugar on all of it. That one over there's only got it on half.
Oops.
We're almost done and we're gonna need another small pan. And that's okay because we're gonna re-pan these up
Yep.
so that they have plenty of space without running into their homies in the oven when they
Where do we
spread.
put the extras?
Go ahead and just put them right on that pan.
Boop, 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 boop,
You're doing a fine job there, my little sous chef. Go right in that pan.
Right in
And
there.
they bake to their fiery death.
No fiery death, it's just like a sauna, not a fiery death.
Okay, they enjoy a nice sauna until they're crispy for 12 minutes. Allow the cookies to rest for about 15 minutes before devouring.
Hope you enjoy these.
Isn't it tough work staying up way past your bedtime to make cookies? Now go get baking.
Wait, chef! Be careful with the spatula. Hey,